How to use Crontab in Plesk. This demo assumes you've already logged into Plesk. Now let's learn how to use the Crontab feature in Plesk. A cron is a system command that you schedule to occur at a later date time and allows you to automatically run commands. Scroll down. Click the Crontab icon. Set the email address of where you want the results of cron runs sent upon completion. Click Set to set the email address. Now let's add a cron. Click Add New Task. Scroll down. Set the parameters of the cron. Note that you can enter an asterisk to select all. Enter the path of the script you wish to run. In this case, we're setting up a cron to run the test_script.cgi every morning at 9 a.m. Click OK. Scroll down. The cron has been set up and can be seen here. You can click on the cron to edit its properties. Or you can delete it, which is what we're going to do now. Click here. Be sure to confirm that you want to delete the cron before clicking OK. The cron we had set up has now been deleted. Click here to return to the main page. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to use Crontab to automatically run scripts in your account. Remember, you can always return to Crontab to set up additional crons. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Be sure to let us know if you have any questions.